Punta na tayo sa hashtag
Pala Live Awarding! Awarding number 1! Mga hashtag ka-followers, mayroon po tayong hashtag live awardings ngayong araw. At unahin na natin ang paggawad ng pagkilala sa ating mahal na Hepe Pau Chief Persida Acosta.
Kaugnay niyan, live na live po nating makakasama ang kinatawan ng
The second Asia Pacific Top-Notch Men and Women Achievers Awards 2026
na pinagungunahan ni
Director Rom Burlat.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. And sa mga viewers, and sa ating lawyers din.
Good afternoon po. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Actually, this is one in a million. It happens only once when you have 5 awards in one night.
Wow.
Wow!
It's a Hakot Award.
Wow, Hakot Awards.
So, we will start with the first one. Chief, Asia Pacific Top-Notch Woman of the Year. So, si Chief won number 1 sa Asia Pacific by voting.
Wow.
This is voting. Second award is Lifetime Achievement Award for National Leadership. Ang bigat lahat, no? And this one, 15 silang nanalo, pero you're one of the 5. Asia Pacific Gorgeous Woman of the Year. And we have 2 plaques for you. Asia Pacific Gorgeous Woman of the Year for captivating presence and remarkable influence. We honor her today for being a woman of substance whose outer beauty is matched only by her inner brilliance and her commitment to excellence. And here's the face of the Gorgeous Woman of the Year. 5. Congratulations, Chief.
Maraming salamat, Direk Rom Burlat. At si Direk Rom po'y premyadong direktor kahit saan. Everywhere in the world, noted po siya. At napakagaling din niyang gumawa ng mga indie films. At sana po tangkilikin natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. At sana rin po ipagpatuloy ni Direk Rom ang kanyang kabutihan para magbigay inspirasyon sa kagaya naming lingkod bayan na kung minsan nakakaranas din ng mga pagsubok, pag-uusig, at lumakas ang aming loob na itaguyod ang bandila ng katarungan. Maraming salamat, Direk Rom.
Thank you, Madam. And I hope may movie na, The Persida Acosta Story.
Sana nga.
Yung isang movie ko pala is now in the International Film Festival sa Emirates International Film Festival sa Dubai. Sa 26 malaman kung manalo ako hindi.
Thank you. Anong ilang award na to?
Ito po ang pang 54th, 55th, 56th, 57th, 58th award this year!
2026.
Yes, maraming salamat po. The second Asia Pacific Top-Notch Men and Women Achievers Awards 2026. Congratulations po, Chief!